Hello children, I am Jyoti and today we will continue the chapter working with tables. In the previous class, I have taught you about the table move handle and table resize handle are used to move and resize the entire table respectively. Combining two or more cells into a single cell is called merging. Splitting a cell means dividing the selected cell into separate cells. I also taught you how to insert image in particular cell. Let's start with today's topic. Applying borders and shading. You can enhance the appearance of a table by applying a variety of borders and shading styles. To add borders and shading, you have to follow some steps. First, you will select the entire table by clicking on the table move handle. Okay, for selecting the table, you will just click on the table move handle. Your entire table will be selected. Then you will click on the home tab. Next, find borders and click on it. You will get your option border and shading there. Okay. Now you can change the line style and width by clicking on the line style and line width option respectively from the borders group. Then you will click on the borders dialog box launcher. The borders and shading dialog box appears. Then you can choose the all option. Select the color from the color drop down menu. Likewise, you can select the desired settings for the border also. Okay. Then you will click on the apply to text box and select the table option from the drop down list. Table option is very important here. You will select the table option from the drop down list. Okay. To give color effects to your table, click on the shading tab. Click on the drop down arrow under the fill section. The color palette is displayed. Choose any shade you want and then click OK. You can notice the change in the appearance of your table. Next topic is converting text to a table. For that, first you have to enter the text. Okay. Then you will select all the text by Ctrl+A. Ctrl+A is the shortcut key for selecting all the text. Then you will click on the Insert tab. There you have the table icon. You will select it. Then you will select the Convert Text to Table option. Okay, from the drop down menu. This option gets highlighted in the table drop down menu only when the text is selected. Okay, so if your text is selected, then this option will be shown to you in the drop down menu, otherwise it will not. Okay, then the convert text to table dialog box appears. You can define the columns and rows under the number of columns and number of rows respectively. Then you will click OK. The selected text will appear in the table form as you can see in the picture right now. Our next topic is calculations in a table. You can perform calculations on the numeric data entered in a table. For that, first you have to enter the data in a table. Then you will click in the cell where the result is to be displayed. Okay. Then you will select the layout tab. There you can select the formula button in the data group. Okay. Then the formula dialog box appears. Note that the sum formula is already displayed. You can see in the picture I have already returned the formula here. Okay. Very important thing to notice here is formula always start with equal to sign. Clear? Whenever you are writing the formula, you will start with the equal to sign, then you will write sum, and within bracket I have written left. Why left? Because my all the data which I want to add is on the left hand side of the selected cell. Clear? Then you can just click OK and the result appears in the selected cell. Now sometimes you may change the data or add any new data in the table. For that, Word provides the facility to update the changes also. You need to follow some steps. Select any cell and change its data. Then you will select the data of the cell where the total sum is to be displayed. After that, you will press F9 key, which is in your keyboard. You will press F9 key and observe that Word automatically updates the calculation. You can also try this for updating the calculation in a table. Yes, children, this is your homework. You will enter the data in the table as I have entered here. I have not written the total, but you people will find out by using the sum formula. Clear? Thank you, children, and take care.